Hi student, planning to appear for CB2 in September or November 2024 attempt. So we are providing CB2 live classes on Saturday and Sunday for all the students who wish to appear for CB2. Apart from live classes, you get access to video lectures from our side. Videos have everything, concepts explained in detail, plus past papers questions of both IIN and IFOI. Apart from this, in live classes, I will be taking through different questions which can be expected in both IIN and IFOI. So it's important that you have to start your subject in case you are planning for September or November 2024, be it individual CB2 or you are combining it with CS1, CM1. It's high time to start preparing for this subject. Now, apart from video lectures and live classes where we are going to discuss the past papers, we are providing handwritten notes for each and every chapter. So you don't have to worry about from where you have to read the content or where you have to learn the content. Whatever is there in the notes, that's more than sufficient, which is required for your exam. Plus, at regular intervals, we have our assignments, unit tests and mock test schedule. You submit your tests and assignments to us for checking, and you will get detailed feedback from my side on your attempted tests and mocks. So do start ASAP if you have yet not started with your CB2 training. Thank you.